Here we are, the Weston Trillium House in the Blue Mountains. Just doing a video test. This is the morning of the event. Linda has no idea what's going to happen. She thinks we're just going to go up and do some sightseeing, maybe a little fishing. Let's hope it goes well.
Sueños se han hecho realidad en ti.
How you feeling, babe?
Para siempre.
Echo 4-1, Echo 3-8.
Go ahead, Echo 3-8. Go ahead, Echo 3-8.
Yeah, dispatch is called. We have a boat with 2 occupants, and they're fishing in closed waters. So let's see if we can get them back to shore and have a conversation with them.
Copy that. Let's see what they have to say. Better call him in.
Occupants of the fishing boat. Occupants of the fishing boat. Occupants of the fishing boat, come on in, please.
Hi there. Park Warden.
Sorry?
Park Warden.
Park
Yeah.
How you doing?
You have a bit of an accent. We're in Toronto, we're in Ontario.
Oh yeah, we're from downtown.
Downtown Toronto, okay. So the reason I'm here, guys, is we had a call about some people fishing in the area. This area is closed. I did see you drinking something, so I don't know what that was. When you were coming in.
Just water here.
Okay. Okay. So you have your fishing stuff here. Do you have anything in the cooler? Any fish in there?
Oh, we don't have any fish.
No? Would you mind opening that a little bit for me, please? Okay, so you do have some alcohol. Is that open there? Is the alcohol open? Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can't have alcohol in a public place. This is still a public place, right? So you guys are. There's a few issues here we can talk about.
Okay.
Do you guys have any identification on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Good. Is there anything that I should know about? I'm going to run your names with our dispatch. Is there anything that I need to know about? Do you have any warrants or
Oh no.
or anything like that? Records?
No.
No warrants, no.
Okay. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to run them and see what comes up,
Okay.
and then we're going to talk about the illegal fishing. So
Okay.
it is an arrestable offense here.
Oh. my God.
Since you're the boat driver, you're the person that we'll have to deal with if we have to deal with anything.
Okay.
And the alcohol, we can talk about that later. Okay.
Okay.
Do you guys have any questions for me at all?
No.
No. Okay, just
No
give me a few
questions.
minutes.
All right.
Okay.
Go ahead and tie the boat up here to the dock.
gonna give Jasper a call.
Yeah.
Let's see if they can run this real quick. First male, Galen, Bryze, Wesley. Bryce is first given 1. Wesley's given 2. Comes going. Galen, Golf, Alpha being a couple of November. Second is a female, Linda. Given 2, Spell, Yankee, Oscar, Uniform, Kilo. Second word is India, November, Golf. And surname is Oscar. 5 minutes, please. Okay, so we'll go and arrest him.
All right.
He has a warrant for his arrest at Tobermory.
All right.
And fishing violations as well. So once we get that, get things figured out. So.
All right. Let's do this.
Hey guys. We have a couple issues. Okay. So the first issue is that Galen, you have a warrant for your arrest.
Really?
Yeah, out of Toronto that is endorsed, and I have to arrest you. So you're
God,
yeah.
what is
So
that all about?
what's that?
What is that all about?
You have to get it figured out with the judge. Basically, your name, your date of birth, your descriptors, everything comes back as someone that needs to be arrested. So what's going to happen is I'm going to arrest him. Okay. We're going to take him up to the detachment. You're going to meet us there. Okay. You can grab all the stuff here, take the vehicle, and you can follow us up to the detachment, and then we'll get fingerprints, and then we'll go from there.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I'm serious. Okay, just let's move it here. Let's get off the dock. I don't want anybody falling. So Galen, so you're under arrest. You have a warrant for your arrest. You're also fishing illegally, and the alcohol we got to talk about. So, ma'am, you want to give us some space? Just stay right there. So get you put your hands up. Okay. Arms out. Lock your elbows in. Turn around slowly. Okay. All right. Put your feet shoulder hip apart. I want you to look to your left. Okay. And I want you to go move. You understand?
This must be some kind of misunderstanding. I don't really know what this is all about.
Well, it's something we got to get figured out. I have to do my job. You have a warrant, so I have to arrest you.
Warrant?
Yeah.
What's the warrant for?
They just said there was a warrant for unpaid fines. So that's how it's gonna happen.
Unbelievable. Yeah. Well, hey, before you
Yep.
before you take me in, I just gotta say something to her.
Yep.
Sorry, babe. Before they take me away, I don't really know what this is about. We'll get it sorted out. But since the day we met, at the Poutine Festival, I've wanted to spend every minute I can with you, and I love you, and this must just be a misunderstanding. You're amazing. You're my best hiking and fishing buddy, my best, skiing buddy, everything, and you're an amazing cook. Kale, bolognese sauce, you can do it all. And, sweetie, I don't know what this is all about, but you're there for me in all the good times and the bad times. You're my number one cheerleader when things are good, and you're, always so empathetic and understanding when things are bad. Just a little bit mug junk, but nothing too much. So, I just want to say that, maybe by now you can tell that these guys could be in on it. But I don't think I'm getting arrested right now. But I do want to say that you're amazing. You're, more beautiful than the beaches of Culabrita. You're luckier than the hottest black dot streak in the Cosmo. You are, more magnificent than the cliffs of El Capitan. And I love you so much, and I, you're my queen and my best friend, and I want to be your best friend and your boat mate on this journey through life. So I wanted to say, babe, Linda, Eucling, Hongadongo.
Oh my god.
Will you marry me?
Yes, of course.
Nice, guys.
I love you, babe. Let me see if the ring fits.
Good job, guys.
Oh, thank you so much, guys.
Wow, you guys are in on this? I'm so like...
She really thought I was getting arrested there for a minute. Here, let's see if it fits.
Oh my god. I'm shocked, guys.
See, he has
You
a
really
he has a
got
GoPro.
me.
He's recording it.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna do that.
You planned all of this?
It was thanks to Warden Ron here.
Aww. Are you guys real Warden?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh my
They
god.
really are. Wow, it fits.
Aw, thank you. Oh my god.
Oh, it's beautiful, babe. I love you so much.
Oh, I gotta give you that like piece of my mind, okay?
What were you thinking?
I don't know what we did. I'm like, what the heck? I'm here, like, here's my license. Like, I have alcohol. I'm like dating us all out.
Well, you handled that very well. I thought you were gonna start, crying or.
No, I'm still
something.
shocked. Like,
You're like, who is this guy? Unpaid fines.
Got a warrant. What?
Congratulations,
You
guys.
guys did a great job.
guys,
Congrats.
Happy birthday. This is great.
yeah.
Hmm.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
I'm just like.
Love you, babe.
I think we had people that were watching us.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Got,
wow.
got some spectators.
How about that? Did they know about this?
No, let's get a lucky seat.
They're like, is this an arrest or is this
Yeah, what is going on
What
here?
is going on here?
You know what's so funny? I was like feeling nauseous this whole weekend just because I felt like maybe it was happening.
Yeah?
Yeah, because he was dropping so many clues. But this really got me.
That's
Let's
great.
get a picture here with the.
Okay.
Okay, cool. I'm so happy for you guys. Welcome to Johnson's Harbor. So cool.
Let's see the ring.
Yes.
Very nice.
Bring on it.
Love you, babe. Of course. That was the reverse Republican. All right. Congratulations, babe.
Congratulations. Careful. Woohoo.